everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gabby. I feel like hello everybody, it's me, Gabby. It's my new cool intro. Anyway, welcome back to the new video of the week. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my favorite product for this month. Every month I have a favorite product and this one is my favorite for this month because it's something unique and it's something that not many people have. First I need to tell you the story, how the idea of having this product came into my brain. Last year during my summer vacation I decided that I need to be a cool YouTuber and have my own custom knife because it's so boring to use regular knife to unbox your box. You know, everybody has some custom knife from the big YouTubers, like the Relaxing Ant, he has custom knife, Marcus Brownlee has custom knife, everybody has custom knife. And since I'm a copycat, I want to copy the biggest YouTubers and also have a custom knife, but custom knife of my own, something that will make me more unique than the others. And during my summer vacation, one of my friends took me to a special street in Turkey that is called the Knife Street. Basically, this is a street that only has knives. 10-15 shops that were only offering all types of different knives with different blades, with different handles. It was mesmerizing to see that many knives in one day, but still my toxic trait couldn't choose anything. Some of them were too expensive, some of them were too big, some of them were too manly. I wanted something gentle but at the same time strong and at the same time custom. All of this custom illness started with me this year. From custom keyboard to custom knife, everything custom. I want everything custom because custom is the new trend. So one day I decided to sell my Cougar Armor S Royal chair because I contacted Secret Lab and Noble Chairs and I decided I need a new chair. Since my Cougar Armor S Royal chair was ripped and the leather was cracked on certain places, it's not because I'm very heavy, it's just not super quality chair, that's it. You know, you can see my 2 years later video with Cougar Armor S Royal chair and you can see yourself it started cracking even though I was taking very good care of it. I was even moisturizing it with a special fake leather lotion. I was taking all kind of good care. But what happened, it cracked and it started even, you know, when the leather cracks it becomes a little bit stingy, and when I was sitting I was feeling that stinginess. It was stinging me and my skin was feeling rushy from the chair and I decided I need to get rid of it. You know, in Bulgaria we have this kind of platform. When you don't want something you just put it there for sale. I don't know, maybe in other countries also have it, but ours is extremely popular. It's called OLX. Basically you can find everything in OLX. It's like the second-hand AliExpress of Bulgaria. I personally have a friend, another YouTuber, who likes buying stuff from OLX. You know, his name is Setup1, you maybe saw one of my videos with him. He loves buying stuff from OLX and there is a reason for this. Everything there is cheap and sometimes you can even find brand new stuff that are also cheap. I put my chair with the coolest pictures in OLX. After I put in OLX, I had a couple of people contacting me, but some of them were, you know, this kind of people that like doing pazar look. This is a Bulgarian word, means you try to push the prices lower than it is. My price was pretty fair for the condition of the chair and they were trying, oh, can you cut €2 more, €5 more, you know, these gypsy numbers that really made me annoyed. And I said no. One person contacted me and he said, I want to come pick up the chair, I need it for my work, is it okay for you? I said yes. He came, actually not himself, but a friend of his came to pick up the chair, and since I'm a very talkative and outgoing person, I decided to ask for what is this chair, what kind of work the person does, and he told me that his friend is actually a knife maker, if this is the term for the position. He makes all kind of custom knives for hunting, for cooking and so on. And I said, oh really? That sounds cool, can you give me his number? He gave me his number and I contacted him and I said to him, look, for a couple of months I'm looking for my perfect knife. The moment I heard about you, that you're doing custom knives, all kinds of custom knives, I decided to contact you because I believe you're my person that will make this knife for me. And I was right, you know, this is not a luck, I don't know how to call it, because I was wishing so much a custom knife, and the person who makes custom knives basically came and knocked on my door. What a life. Afterwards, we started the procedure of me choosing my custom knife, and you can guess that I don't understand exactly from knives and steel and anything connected to knives. And I said to him, look, I want my knife to be feminine at the same time for unboxing. I want the handle to have that wow effect. I want it to be custom. If you can put some resin, it would look cool for me. He said, okay, I have some ideas for you. I took a couple of phone conversations till we adjusted my wishes with his work. And finally, I have my custom knife. You know, this is a plain card box, but who cares about the box when the real treasure is inside? The first thing I noticed is the beautiful knife case from genuine leather that smells from meters that it's a real leather. Good quality real leather, very thick with perfect stitches. There's a special handle that you can put it on your belt if you want, or you can even adjust it to your keychain. I don't know, it depends. Some people like wearing their knives on their waist. This is my beautiful custom knife. Why is it custom? Because nobody will ever have a knife that's written Gabby Tech on it. Gabby Tech, and one more thing I need to say here. It's silver encrusted logo. Basically, Gabby Tech is written with silver. One more thing that I forgot to say is that your knife comes with a special card where you can see the type of steel, the serial number of the steel, what kind of materials the handle have been done with. My handle is made of steel, meshing steel, epoxy resin, black hornbeam tree with silver incrustations. The thickness of the blade is 3.5 millimeters and the blade is around 7-8 centimeters. It's a lovely work of art. You can notice the different segments of the handle. Everything about this knife is perfect. It's perfect for my hand. No, it's for 2 fingers or 3 fingers standard handle. It's pretty, it's ergonomic even. I love it. And the most cool part is it glows in the dark. So shout out to the guy who made this beautiful knife to me. His name is Slav Slavov. If you live in Bulgaria, you can check the description about his Facebook page. When you purchase a knife for him, you have lifetime warranty about the blade. So when your blade becomes dull, you just send it to him and he sharpens it for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me on all social media. And if you want a custom knife and you're from Bulgaria, check the description.